EMF expression if E is induced EMF. In the coil, if E is an induced EMF produced in the coil due to the self-inductance at any instant, when this EMF is produced, when the current it will be changes. So here the di by dt is the rate of change of current. Here di by dt is the rate of change of current. So here according to Faraday's laws of EMI, E is equal to minus d phi by dt. That is equal to minus d by dt of, what is the phi value? L into I. Here L is a constant. So EMF it equal to minus L di by dt. So this is the one of the important expression for induced EMF. So this is also one important relation, and here this one also important relation. So there is a relation between phi and L. So this is a relation between induced EMF and the rate of change of current. Here L is the self-inductance of the coil or coefficient of self-induction. What does it minus indicate? This minus indicate the opposing nature of induced EMF to the either growth of the current or decay of current. So here if we calculate the magnitude form, modulus of E is equal to L di by dt. So this is magnitude. So try to remember this relation. E is equal to L into di by dt. What is di by dt? It is the rate of change of current. Suppose if di by dt is equal to 1. So di by dt is equal to 1. What does it indicate? The current is changing with respect to time is 1 ampere per second. So if di by dt is equal to, then induced EMF expression is equal to L into, it is equal to instead of di by dt is 1. So therefore E is equal to L. So previous case we have seen phi is equal to L. Now it is induced EMF is equal to L. So what does this expression indicates? The self-inductance of the coil is numerically equal to the induced EMF produced in the coil when the rate of change of current in the coil is unity. Unity in the sense 1 ampere per second. So once again I'll repeat here. The self-inductance of the coil is numerically equal to the induced EMF produced in the coil when the rate of change of current through the coil is unity. So here we will write in SI system, the unit of self-inductance is Henry. So here we will define this Henry. Henry symbol, it is a capital H. So if you see here, when the self-inductance of the coil is said to be 1 Henry, that will see definition of 1 Henry. So we know that relation E is equal to L di by dt. When this L value is equal to 1, if di by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second and it induces the EMF is equal to 1 volt, then only that L is equal to 1 H. So here from this expression we can write the definition. The self-inductance of the coil is said to be 1 Henry when the rate of change of current in the circuit is 1 unit, which causes the induced EMF is 1 volt in the coil. So once again I will repeat. We'll write the definition. The self-inductance of a coil is said to be 1 Henry if the rate of change of current is 1 ampere per second, so that the induced EMF is 1 volt produced in that coil. So this is the definition of 1 Henry.